Hey guys, we are at the GeocoinFest registration event. So if you take a look behind me there, whoa, I'm looking right in the sun. But that is the event. There's all the registration tables. There's all the other folks who are here to register for the event. Everybody's going to have an awesome time. So everything's just sort of getting organized. We're getting started. We're looking forward to having a great time with our friends, hanging out, finding caches, and checking out geocoins. All right, stay tuned. We'll have lots more.
That's lots more geocaching and all kinds of fun with friends, old ones and new ones, so check for tracking codes and join us for another geocaching adventure.
Hey guys, so we are going to go and check out some bounce geocaches. They're not active caches, but they're like a lab cache. Very cool though. Let's go check it out. Cool technology.
Bounce is a Northwest geocache creator who has made some of the top favorite point earning caches in the greater Seattle area, as well as many super cool lab caches for various events. Check out the HQ blog all about him and watch for his lab caches at GeocoinFest 2019 in Houma, Louisiana.
Hey guys, we are at Snoqualmie Falls. This is one of our stops on this hashtag geocache road trip through Issaquah and everywhere where we're enjoying the GeocoinFest 2018 and all the geocaches all around here. So of course there's an earth cache, so of course we need to find it.
Of course it's behind there. So Mrs. Monkey and Chris of the Northwest showed off their mad cache skills. Get it? Well, we were dying to find this next one. Sorry. And then Land Sharks called in reinforcements to tackle another amazing geocache, exactly the way this one was designed to be enjoyed with friends.
So another one of these cool lab gadget caches. Take the marble.
You put the marble in, you let the marble come out.
After a fun geocaching day, the next morning brought the GeocoinFest event and a somewhat familiar face, vlogger on a mission.
All right, so now something else that's going on here. You're on a mission.
I'm on a mission.
While you're here.
Yes.
What's the mission, man?
I'm looking for Sasquatch. Looking for Sasquatch.
Anybody seen a Sasquatch?
I know, because I want to get the Sasquatch coin, and there's clues hidden all around. There's actual footprints.
There are.
And I'm looking for them, and hopefully I'll find them.
Awesome. Well, good luck on your adventure.
Thank you. This
All
is
right.
where Sasquatch, he lives here, right?
He does.
Okay, good.
Yeah, just over there.
Oh, okay. Bye.
The geocaching vlogger, everyone. Hey guys, we're at GeocoinFest. We're just getting set up, getting ready to go. It's Chris of the Northwest. It is you. Excited to be here. It's our podcast host, and it is our exclusive new caching in the Northwest. You got to come to an event, find us, get a chance to play that cool game. And what is this I see over on the other side of the event? The elusive Bigfoot has been spotted. He seems interested in geocoins.
Why not? I could win.
All right, who's ready to win some prizes? Red.
447.
Woo!
So that pretty much summed up our exciting adventure to GeocoinFest 2018 in Issaquah, Washington. We hope you enjoyed this adventure with us and that you'll follow us on social media at LANMonkeys. And please subscribe, like, and add your comments to our videos on YouTube so that you never miss an exciting geocaching adventure.